Welcome to the Therapy Garage. Today, working on this 1975 XS650B that we're calling Nino. It's up on the website as coming soon, and it certainly is. Within the next week or two, this thing's going to be on the road. Today, I was putting the clutch cable on and didn't have any free play. It was almost as if I pulled too hard, I was going to break a cable or blow the clutch lever side of the engine casing off, and I realized something's bound up. Thought maybe I had whether an extra ball bearing or something. I didn't know what was going on, so I resorted to my Clymers manual. If you're anything like me, you don't read step by step. You've done this 100 times. How difficult could it be? I want to save you the headache. On this side of the bike, the throttle side of the bike, when you're putting your basket back together, whether you're upgrading the springs or your friction plates, all of these plates, you have to line up the teeth. Well, this plate as well has to line up and fit into those teeth that are in your clutch mechanism. The easy way to do so, and the way that Yamaha engineers designed it, they're engineers, they get paid to do smart stuff like that. There's a little sight window right here. It's opposite. Mine has a number 1 cast in it, and opposite is a little sight window with an arrow. Through that, you look at your clutch and see that there's a little circle, and those have to line up. If you don't line those up, it's not going to move freely. Your springs and your clutch lever, clutch cable are all going to be pushing against metal. So save yourselves the headache that I had to go through today. I feel like I went through this on the Jolie build too, but I didn't learn my lesson. So either go through step by step in your Clymers manual, or at least take this one with you. It'll save you all the headaches. If I had oil in this bike, I would have had to drain the oil. I still had to pull the kick lever, the brake lever. My exhaust isn't in the way, but likely your exhaust will have to come off. So let me save you the headache. Don't make this mistake. Shirts available on the website, therapygarage.com.